back to our channel. Me and Noah's back with some unboxing from eBay, and I'll let her take control. Here you go.
It's a $5 mystery box that my mom bought for me. Well, us.
Whoa, slow down. It's a mystery box her mother got from her. It's a $5 mystery.
Not from her.
It's I guess it's a toy. I'm not really sure. Go ahead and open it up, see what it is.
Okay.
Name is John C.
Rip it open.
What is this?
What
is this? It's a squeezed slime cake.
Slime Cafe.
I guess it's a slime
squishy.
Cake. It's a squishy, but I guess there's slime in it.
I reckon so. Take the back off. It's pretty cool. $5 mystery bag. Pretty good. Let's open it up and see let's open up and see how it is. Let's open the bad boy up.
So you got some purple slime.
It's
whipped cream, cake.
Yep. And then I guess the thing is on top, cherry on top. It's not really.
Cherry whipped cream. Okay.
So.
And you got slime. Let's put something down. You kind of not play with it. We'll put some slime on it. See how it is. Let's get the camera go down a little bit.
There we go.
Set it right here.
Alright. Okay.
Don't get the slime on the table. Alright, so we'll just put this under here.
There we go.
That's it.
There we go. Alright.
I've never seen a slime and a squishy together. It's pretty neat.
Yeah. Ooh, the slime feels really good. Takes a little bit.
You get a little bit of that. Ooh, it does feel good. It's not really sticky. It's very slimy.
It's very like pudding, but it's not.
I like pudding.
Easy.
I don't like pudding. I hate pudding, actually.
So we got.
What's your favorite kind of pudding? You say you like pudding?
I don't like pudding.
Oh, I thought you said you liked it.
No, I said it looks like pudding.
Oh.
Pudding.
Okay, and the other thing on this, how they got some pretty cool
It's
pictures.
really stretchy.
It is.
Okay. I'm just gonna druze it on there.
Drizzle it, druze it.
Druze it. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Definitely. All right. Here is our masterpiece.
Pretty neat. Cool. Well, that's it for today, and stay tuned and like.
Peace.